Tyler 16-bit here with another video, and this is an unboxing of the 30th anniversary PS5 controller. So let's take a closer look. Whoa. As you can see here, has the retro PlayStation logo, has the Sony logo, and a picture of what the controller looks like. And of course, on the bottom here says limited edition Dualsense wireless controller, and it again has the PlayStation logo there. Here's the top, which pretty much says the same thing. And on the side here has a little bit of information on the contents on the inside. Pretty much same thing over here. And on the back it says 30th anniversary and heighten your senses, because the controller is a PS5 DualSense controller. So let's try to do this best I can. Yeah, the tape is already cut, so I don't have to do that part. Alright, well, here on the inside you can see it's in another box right there, but the box here on the inside has a whole bunch of decals and stuff of PlayStation over the years. And it appears that the tab has come off. But let's... Oh, there's a little spot right there that should be able to push in and get the controller out. Yeah, let's kind of fold these flaps out a little bit. And oh, we can see 30th anniversary again right there. And here is the box that the controller is inside. So let's move that over. And here we have the inner box. So now we got to open this part. And what is hopefully inside here, well, it is inside there, but anyway, here, loud cards. Oh, you see some of it right there. Let's try to get all this packaging off. Oh, and there's some more information there, like is that a quick start guide or something? And here we have it. The 30th anniversary DualSense controller. Yeah, it looks really cool here in person. Definitely glad to have this. It has that retro look, and it has the gray color and the colored buttons there. Here's the top of it with the shoulder buttons and the Sony logo. And it has the retro PlayStation logo there. And on the back, it also says, whoop, PlayStation 30th anniversary. So, oops, let's move that out of the way. So yeah, really, that is about it. Thank you for watching, and until next time, you all take care.